Students, I hope everyone is fine at home because day by day the conditions are getting very crucial and critical. So please, everyone, be at home with safety when you are going out. Please have a safe and secure things with you, like your mask, your gloves, and your sanitizers with you. Right? So children, now what we are going to do while जब आप ये videos देख रहे हो, वीडियोस जिस दिन आपको अपलोड आप देखोगे उसी दिन शाम को आपकी डाउट क्लास होंगी. डाउट क्लास कैसे कि आप जब मैंने आपको वीडियो पढ़ाया और जब आपने देखा तो आपको कुछ होगा उसमें जो नहीं समझ में आएगा. तो जब हमारी डाउट क्लास होंगी तो उस टाइम आप मुझसे अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स पूछ सकते हो कि लाइक अगर कोई वर्ड का मीनिंग नहीं समझ में आया या लाइन नहीं समझ में आया, सो यू कैन आस्क मी दैट. ओके, सो इन द प्रीवियस क्लास हमने क्या पढ़ा था? That problems faced by the subsistence farmers. अब कि it is a quick revision to you कि it's so that it will be easy for you to understand कि problems क्या face होते थे farmers को. तो problems faced by the farmers, first most important is the children rainfall कि as they are not getting enough rain, right, they are not getting enough rainfall. So what they used they were, because of that thing, when the rainfall is not there, so they are not able to grow crops properly, right? The good amount of quality, or you can say the quality of crop, will not be grown. तो उसमें क्या होता है कि कई बार they have to face many problems, like when they have taken some amount of loan from the bank, so they are not able to pay them back. Because of that conditions, day by day farmers their lives get worse. So sometimes they commit suicide also because of that, right? So it happened in previous years, but then after that government has taken many steps for the recovery of such kind of these problems that are being faced by the farmers, right? Today's topic that we have to go through is good habits of different regions. Now, good habit means what kind of crops we are growing, or what kind of grains, or what kind of food we are having in a particular area, right? So as different crops are grown in different parts of our country, that is true कि हमारा जो कंट्री है, हर कंट्री में अलग अलग एरियाज़ पे अलग अलग टाइप के क्रॉप्स ग्रो होते हैं, राइट? ग्रो कैसे होते हैं कि अगर हम देखते हैं कि सॉइल, बेटा हर क्रॉप के लिए मोस्ट ऑफ द क्रॉप्स need different kind of soil to grow and different type of climate to grow, right? So because of this reason in our country there are many crops that are grown at different areas. Hence people living in the different parts of the country also eat different types of food. Rice is more common in the southern states of India. So please underline this line from the rice is more common. Please underline this line. Rice is more common in the southern states of India. Children, whatever lines I am telling you to underline, it is very important and compulsory for every one of you all to underline those lines, because when the exam will be there, I will be giving you all fill in the blanks from these also. जो भी lines हम underline कर रहे हैं उसमें से आपके fill in the blanks form होंगे. So whenever I am telling you to underline a particular line, you are supposed to underline it. Is that clear? Otherwise you will not know from where you got those fill-ups in the exam. Fine. Whereas wheat is staple diet of the north. अब जैसे ये लाइन है, wheat is staple diet of north, मतलब कि नॉर्थ एरिया जो हमारा इंडिया का है वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा जो क्रॉप ग्रो होता है वो है wheat. तो अगर इसका फिलअप पूछा जाएगा तो फिलअप विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डैश इज़ द स्टेपल डाइट ऑफ नॉर्थ. तो योर आंसर विल बी wheat, या wheat इज़ द स्टेपल डाइट ऑफ डैश, तो योर आंसर विल बी नॉर्थ. ऐसे पूछ सकते हैं. Food items that are consumed by people in a particular region depends on factors like religion, tradition, customs, beliefs, availability of different ingredients, etc. अब क्या होता है कि जब हम different religions या different traditions से आते हैं तो हमारा जो खाने का हैबिट होता है एंड द टाइप ऑफ फूड वी ईट इज़ डिफरेंट, राइट. लाइक हम अगर नॉर्थ में हैं तो वी लाइक स्पाइसी फूड. उसमें हमारे फूड में इंग्रेडिएंट्स ज़्यादा होते हैं. इंग्रेडिएंट्स मतलब मसाले या जो भी है वो हम ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. बट इफ़ वी गो टू साउथ देयर वे ऑफ कुकिंग फूड इज़ डिफरेंट. इफ़ वी गो टू राजस्थान और गुजरात साइड, every tradition as having different ways of cooking food, right. We must use such methods to prepare food which improve its nutritional value. For example, sprouting of pulses and dal. Now you must have seen that some of the people eat sprouting dal. So what they do, they overnight they soak the dal in water. In the morning they eat the sprouted things, pulses. It is very nutritious. It is very good for health. Steaming of idli and dokla. You must have seen your mothers preparing idli and dokla, how they prepared. It is prepared with steam. Fermentation of rice and urad dal for dosa, utpam, etc. Now when your mother prepares dosa and also what she does, she keeps that batter, prepare the batter of rice and keep it for some time outside, right. In past, women used to grind flour and spices at home. They also use hand pounded rice, which is rich in vitamin B. Now, in the previous time, what the women used to do, they used to grind the wheat at home only. अभी जैसे हमारे यहाँ जो आप देखते हो कि घर पे जो गेहूँ होता है उसको हम लोग बाहर किसी चक्की वगैरह वहाँ पे भेजते हैं, या हम मोस्टली हम मार्केट से आटा परचेज़ करते हैं. प्रीवियस टाइम में दीज wheats were being grind at home only by the women. They only eat locally grown seasonal fruits and vegetables. But nowadays we have access to every type of food all year around. अब कई बार होता है कि हम देखते हैं कि कुछ चीज़ें जो कुछ वेजिटेबल्स हैं या फ्रूट्स हैं पहले के टाइम पे वो सिर्फ सीजनली होते थे. दे वर नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर फुल ईयर. बट नाउ इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम, इन द मॉडर्न सिनेरियो, हम कोई भी फ्रूट, कोई भी वेजिटेबल हम पूरे 12 मंथ्स तक ले सकते हैं. वी गेट इन द मार्केट. मॉडर्न फैसिलिटीज़ ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, कोल्ड स्टोरेज, प्रिजर्वेशन एंड पैकेजिंग have made this possible. अब क्यों हो गया है? बिकॉज हमको ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, एक तो लाइक अगर जो नॉर्थ में कोई चीज़ मिल रही है एंड दैट इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल इन साउथ, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पीपल आर गेटिंग दोज थिंग्स. सेकेंडली हमारा होता है कोल्ड स्टोरेज, जहाँ पे ये सब प्रिजर्व किए जाते हैं, रखे जाते हैं, सो दैट इट कैन बी यूज इन आउट सीजन ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट इज़ चेंजिंग फूड हैबिट्स. Now why like we also sometimes change our habits of eating, right. So unlike other animals, humans do not have fixed menu to eat. Yes, we don't have fixed every day. You must not be eating the same vegetable or same food every day. No one can eat it. We also change our food daily, right. We can enjoy a variety of food items of both plant and animal origin, right. The new generation prefers fast food items such as pizza, burger, potato finger chips, aerated drinks, etc. These food items are tastier but lack in nutritional value. They are also costlier, right. Now what happened is कि yes, we are changing our habit of eating every day. We are changing our food every day. But nowadays if we see, children love eating fast food. They will not be preferring to eat food items like your vegetables and chapati and all, but they love eating these, and these all things comes in a very costlier form, right. So till then, be safe.